Hi from Laundry Talk. Today I'm going to show you how I got all these things at Walgreens. There were over $40 worth of products on sale, and yet I got them for like $2. So I'm going to show you the breakdown, so stay tuned till the end. The first thing we're going to start with is the Finish Jet Dry. It's at $4.99 at Walgreens, but you're going to get $3 off a digital coupon, leaving you to pay only $1.99. However, there's an application called Ibotta. I'm going to put it in my description. I'm going to put my referral code so that if you don't have it, you can download it. It's an application that gives you cash back for certain items that you purchase, and so you can use the referral code, and as a welcome bonus you will get back $5 for having used the referral code, apart from uploading your receipt and getting your rebate for it. The next thing we have here is Persil, and that's at $5.99 this week, but there is a $2 digital coupon leaving you to pay $3.99. But then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta again, and you're going to receive $1.50 off for that, leaving it at $2.49 for that size of Persil. Then we have the Colgate. It's $4.50 each one. $4.50 times 2 is $9 for both items, but there is a digital coupon of $4 that leaves you to pay $5 out of pocket, but you will get back $4 in a registered reward, and at the end your cost will be $1 for both, or 50 cents each. The following item is a degree. This week the degree at Walgreens is 2 for $14. For some reason, I don't know why, my store overcharged me. Extra is supposed to be 2 for $14, but they charged me the regular price of $7.79. So I'm not sure what happened there, but it should be ringing up in your store. Double check before you check out that it's for 2 for $14. There is a $4 digital coupon that's in your app. Clip that before going in. Clip all the digital coupons I'm mentioning before you go into the app. Takes off $4, leaving you to pay $10 out of pocket, but you do get back $2 in a registered reward, and your end cost would be $8 for the both of them, or $4 each. The next item is Burt's Bees toothpaste. They are ringing up for $3.50 this week. $3.50 times 2 is $7. There is a digital coupon of $3, and then you're left to pay $4 out of pocket, but you do get back $3 in a registered reward, leaving both of those items for $1 or 50 cents each. So all these items were ringing up, as I mentioned earlier, for like $40 and change. Here's all the prices that I mentioned to you. Of course, the problem with the degree, I should have noticed that in the store, but I didn't. I did use our digital perk that we have this week, that when you spend 40 or more, you're going to get back 10 into your account. Plus I used another perk, or basically a booster, a paper one, that when I spent over $20, I was going to get 5 into my account. So those things I'm going to show you in a moment, that I got back straight into my account, not at the store. So I used to register reward from prior purchases to lower my cost out of pocket for a total of $7. And then all these that start with an E, those are all the digital coupons, so the electronic coupons. And all of them worked great. I mentioned them one by one here, and they all went through perfectly. My total to pay out of pocket was $19.56. This is before my taxes, because again, it varies by state, so yours will be different. $19.56 is what I paid out of pocket. Now those two boosters or perks that I mentioned earlier, the digital and the paper one, so those two that I mentioned earlier about the perks equal to $15 back into my account. So again, to recap, I paid $19.56 and I got back $15.42 into my account. So I'm still down $4, but remember that we're getting back these register rewards. So here's $4 for having bought 2 of the Colgate. Here are $2 for having bought the 2 degree. And here are $3 for having bought the 2 Burt's Bees. So altogether, I got back $9 in register rewards. So that means that I paid nothing for all this, and whatever I paid for taxes was pretty much covered by the extra that I got back. So hope you get yours, and if you don't have all those extra helps to lower your cost, it's still going to be a super low price out of pocket. These are all the items again. So make sure you like and save this video so that you can use it when you go into the store, and take me with you so that you can see the breakdown of everything you're getting and what you're getting back. I hope you get yours. Don't forget to smile, and I'll see you in the next one.